Mayan numerals. Mayans were a civilization that lived in South America. They used the following symbols shown on screen to represent numbers. The following figure shows an example of how these symbols were used. Numbers greater than 19 were written vertically as powers of 20. The highest part of number represented the highest power of 20. Then, the values were added, as the following figure shows. Here is a breakdown of how these symbols represent the number 31. Here is another example. That is all for lesson 1.1.3. To continue this topic, please watch 1.1.4, Roman numerals. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.